Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. It's going to take us to our profile. When we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. And here we're going to select the fourth option we have, settings and privacy. So it's going to take us here. So we want to find the option display that's in content and display. As you can see right below ads and right above screen time, we have the option display. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And the first thing we have to set here under appearance is light or dark mode. So we're going to go ahead and click on dark mode. As you can see, it automatically changed. And now our TikTok account is set into dark mode. As you can see, every bit of it. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.